Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using a French smile line cutter to do a French nail, but I'll be using it with dip powders, so let's get right into the video. So a while back, I was having a conversation with Brenda in the comment section about the French nail cutter. Hi Brenda, and I wanted to try it out to see how it will work. This was my second attempt at it because the first one didn't come out that great, and I'm glad it didn't. It gave me an opportunity to give you more tips as to how to use this to achieve the best smile line possible. Now this is usually done with gel polishes I think, but we are going to be doing it with dip powders. So I applied my Cherael Sky Bond and then I placed my 2 layers of clear dip powder on my nails. So right here I'm just checking to see which one of the smile lines I would use to do my design. Now I'm just showing you the movement I'll be doing to achieve my desired smile line. So I just applied base to about half of the nail or to wherever you want your smile line to be, and then I poured the nude dip powder on my nail. Then using the French cutter, I place it on the nail and then I moved from left to right, or you can say I'm making a half a circle kind of motion like I'm doing right here. This will allow you to achieve the best smile line. You can exaggerate it a little more by going a little deeper with your movement to get an even better smile line, but I liked this one. So this is what you're not going to do. This was my first design and it came out almost straight. It was a huge fail. So you can see the difference of what not to do and what to do to achieve your smile line. So I did about 4 layers of the nude color. You don't have to use the French cutter for each layer. I only used it for about 2 layers and then I got my shape, so I just placed the base on the area I wanted the nude dip powder to be and then go from there. So now I apply my activator and waited for the nail to harden. So I'm just showing you how it looks from different angles right here. Now I'm just showing you a little bit of my filing. So I do a rounding motion to get a neater smile line and then I go over the nail as well. So this is after filing of the nail. Now using my green glitter, I just place base on the tip area and then dip into the glitter. I did about 2 layers of that, or maybe 3. Now using my clear dip powder, this dip powder is specifically used for glitter nails, so I just encapsulated the glitter only. I did about 2 layers of that. Then using my clean clear dip powder, I encapsulated the whole nail. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed 2 layers. The reason I switched is because the other clear is contaminated with glitter, so it might have gotten on the nail bed area and I didn't want that to happen. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I'm applying some Mother One's gel top coat to the nail and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. This design was really simple to do once you understood what you were doing. Trial and error can be a good thing sometimes. It helped me to understand what to do and what not to do so I can achieve a better result. And I like this one, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!